today's world it gets difficult. And I think it's very appropriate that if at this point we ask Brother Rook to come forward for an invocation and the blessing of our fire trucks. Let's pray.
A lot of things have been done in the past. The groundwork has been laid for many years. This is not an overnight deal with the truck. So I want to thank you, all of you at the department, previous administrations, for doing what it took to get right here. Presently, I want to thank you for all that you've done to make this happen. We're delighted to have Chief John.
Tradition that we're going to hope to keep alive here in Louisville. It symbolizes the ones that went before us and the sacrifices they made to make sure their community was protected. So can I have my drivers post? If everyone could please move over here unless you want to take a late morning shower.